All right, I'm here with my guy Miles, or King Reacts here. He's part of Creator Cartel, a longtime member of Creator Cartel. I appreciate you a lot, Miles, for hopping on here. And I'm just going to ask him some questions. He's going to give you guys some YouTube advice and just give you some insight into what it's like to be a part of my coaching program, Creator Cartel. So, Miles, if you could go ahead and just introduce yourself for the people, let them know like what you do and anything that you want to let them, any context you would like to give them.
Definitely, definitely. First off, it's great seeing you again, and it's great talking to you as well. Happy New Year, all that great stuff. And
Yes, sir.
I am King Reacts, okay, King Reacts for short, or IKR. And I pretty much am a member of Creator Cartel, where we really focus on helping people. Just like Justin helps us pretty much focus on how to quit your job in 90 days and stuff like that. Granted, I already had accomplished that. I joined more so looking out to, maintain longevity. And that's what really, attracted me to Creator Cartel, and which really captivated me and everything like that. And he did exactly that. Okay. Really understanding, what my niche is and how to maintain, presence and longevity, and how to consistently go viral in that niche, and really, create a living for yourself and keep going, and just run what you do. Okay, do it to the best of your ability.
Yeah, I appreciate that, man. Thank you. That's a great intro. I just have a couple of questions for you. If you don't want to answer, that's completely fine. Or if you want to just give like ballpark numbers or whatever you want to do to maintain your privacy, it's fine. But I was curious, what is your biggest month on YouTube in terms of revenue? If you don't mind sharing, or if you want to give like a ballpark number, whatever you'd like to do.
Personally, I'd like to maintain privacy on that, just for
Okay.
my own personal reasons. I don't mind discussing all of everything. Just yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay. I'm sure you guys could probably get the gist. Like if you just go check out his channels, he's doing pretty well in terms of like view counts and stuff like that. But yeah, that's fine, bro. If you don't want to answer. Okay, so what has you kind of explained this already a little bit, but could you kind of just describe your overall experience inside the program? Like, what has the support been like? And then also, what is your favorite part of it? You know, do you like the community aspect? Do you like the DM access to me and the other coach Casey? Or yeah, what's your favorite part of the program, and what has your overall experience been like?
My overall experience has, quite frankly, been awesome. I'm going to say, for myself, it's been great. It's exactly what I was looking for. And I would say personally, for me, something that, really stood out to me was being around other people that do exactly what I do. One of the cool things about Justin and Casey is you guys understand the niche. Like, you do this. We all do this. Okay. So, that is something that I really appreciate, because you could talk to other people and they have no clue what you're doing and why you do what you do.
Yeah.
So that can, there's trade-offs there. Another thing I really appreciate is the one-on-one help. That has significantly helped me a lot. Okay. I went from, having months where, oh, I got lucky this month. I'm feeling good this month. Oh man, we're having bad views this month. Oh, we gonna suck. We don't.
Yeah.
It's just, one of those things. There's dips and stuff like that from time to time. But Justin really helped me, break out of that and understand, hey, it's more so about keeping your pace and maintaining consistency, and really just spamming your best content too on top of that. That's a
Yeah.
big part. Finding new ways to really capitalize on what's already working for you.
Yeah. Yeah, that's really good. That kind of leads into the next question that I was going to ask is, for anybody who's watching this, it could be similar to your niche, or just general advice. What would be your best piece of YouTube advice that you could give to somebody? It could be mindset, it could be tactical, just any sort of like if you could only give them one piece of advice for their entire YouTube journey, what would that piece of advice be?
Never give up. Never, ever give up. Okay. Never give up. All right. I had a YouTube channel before the one that I'm currently, before my biggest channel, which is at currently 200,000 subs. That'll change soon to 300K. But yeah, I had another channel, and I deleted that channel before this one because I had let people get in my head and stuff like that. And eventually I had to tell myself, hey, man, I got to do this for me. I have to break out of, believing and listening to everybody. Not everybody else's life looks like mine. So I have to do what works for me. And that's what led to the I Am King Reacts channel, saying, I'm going to dominate this. I'm going to run this thing. I'm going to do, the best of my ability in my own world, in this space right here. And that's exactly what I do.
That's awesome, man. I love that. I really love that advice. I always talk about how, you know, if you let one person get inside of your head even a little bit, and they kind of implement their same beliefs onto you, or they implant their same goals onto you, and they don't fully align with yours. If you picture a ship, and a ship is like, the course is charted over 1,000 miles, and you just move that course just a little bit, a couple degrees to the left or to the right, to the west, to the east, whatever, you're going to end up in a completely different spot 1,000 miles down the road, right? Or down the course. So the same thing happens with parents or teachers or friends or family members. Whenever they start to implant their own beliefs or their own goals or whatever inside of you, it might just change your course 2 or 3 degrees to the left or to the right. But you look 10 years down the road and you're like, wow, I ended up in a completely different spot than where I was supposed to or where I wanted to, you know? And something else that I've recently had to learn is like, you also have to just make sure that you are good. Like, that is the number one priority. Like, for me, I love helping people. Like, I love seeing people get great results inside the program. I love helping like family members, friends, and all this stuff. But I realized like in this last year that I've really neglected like me, you know, making sure that I'm good. And it doesn't really matter what anybody else thinks. Like, as long as you have your back, I got me. That's all that matters at the end of the day. That's all we really need. So like, it doesn't matter what these people are saying. It doesn't matter what the comments are saying or what your parents are saying. It doesn't matter, man. You got to listen to your own intuition. You know, you got to put your balls on the table every once in a while. Like, this is what I know I'm supposed to be doing right now. So let me just go do it. Let me just go execute on this. I love that answer, man. That's great. Great advice. If somebody is on the fence about joining the coaching program, what would you say to them? If they're watching this right now, they're like, I don't know about this Justin guy. Like, I don't know if this is really for me. What would you say to that person if they're just like teetering on the fence?
I would say take that risk. I would say take that leap. I would say go all in. Okay. You know, are you going to be on the fence with your life? You know, I would say go all in, you know, make it happen. All right. Yeah. Make it happen.
Yeah, that's amazing, man. I really appreciate that. All right, dude. A couple last questions for you, and then I'll let you get out of here. I want to talk about what your goals are with YouTube. Like, are you just like aiming for a certain subscriber count? Do you want a certain dollar amount? Do you want to like make a bunch of money on YouTube, put it into real estate? Like, what is your overall vision for this whole YouTube business that you're building, this YouTube empire that you're building?
Definitely. So on my main channel, my goal is 1 million subscribers. In the year of 2026, I'm strictly focused on hitting 300,000 subscribers. Anything over that is a blessing. I have 3 other channels I'm currently working on, you know, another one in my main niche, and then 2 others on the opposing side, which I'm focused on. I got one monetized recently, and then I'm working on getting the other one monetized as well. And I'm focused on getting another 100K subscriber plaque this year from one of those 3 other channels.
That's awesome, man. I got no doubt that you're going to do it. I mean, you already know the game, and then you have us here to support you. And yeah, man, you're going to get that done. No doubt.
Get it.
Yes, sir. All right, man. Well, I appreciate you hopping on. I don't know if you would like me to link your channel or not, but if you do want me to link it, then I'll put the King Reacts channel in the description of this video. But I appreciate you, Miles. Thank you for hopping on here, and thank you for giving the people the advice and the mindset shifts that they need to succeed, bro. So any last words for the people? If not, we'll go ahead and end it here.
Last words, never quit.
I love it, man. All right, bro. Thank you for hopping on. Thank you guys for watching. If you do want to see about joining the coaching program, just go ahead and click the link in the description or the pinned comment. And then if you want to check out Miles' channel, I'll go ahead and link that in the description as well. Thank you again, Miles, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.